The Average American. A horror story in 10 statistics. Tonight, I read your report card. 10 stats about the average person's money. If you feel personally attacked, good. Statistics don't lie. You do. Stat 1. The median savings account holds less than 8 grand. That's not a safety net. That's a participation trophy. Stat 2. 6 in 10 of you live paycheck to paycheck, including people making 6 figures. How? How do you lose a game you're winning? Stat 3. The average car payment is over $700 a month for a thing that loses value while it sleeps. Stat 4. Average credit card balance, $6,500 at 24% interest. You're renting money to impress people you don't even like. Stat 5. 1 in 5 adults has saved exactly 0 for retirement. 0. Your retirement plan is dying at your desk. Stat 6. You think you spend $86 a month on subscriptions. It's $219. You can't even count your own leaks. Stat 7. The average lottery player burns about $1,000 a year. A tax on people who failed math. Paid voluntarily. With a smile. Stat 8. Fewer than half of you could handle a $1,000 emergency. Your whole life is one flat tire away from a payday loan. Stat 9. The average person watches 3 hours of TV a day and says they have no time to learn about money. 3 hours! The remote is closer than the excuse. Stat 10. My favorite. People spend more time planning a vacation than planning retirement. 1 week of your life versus the last 30 years of it. The average person is broke because average behavior produces broke results. The fix is boring. Emergency fund. Automate the investing. Kill the leaks. Be above average or be a statistic. You're welcome, peasants. Get